I'm going to show you how to fix your video's audio and remove background noise with InShot. And there's actually two different ways I would recommend to do this. The first is wherever you are, you can always just select your video clip inside of InShot, and you can scroll over to the voice enhance button. You can click here and be able to enhance your voice inside of InShot. Now, me personally, when trying this out, I wasn't as pleased with the effect, but if you have InShot, you might as well test this out and see how well it enhances your voice. If you like it, great. If not, and you want better audio enhancement to make your voice sound really good and remove better of the background noise, I recommend getting the Premiere mobile app. This is a free app on iPhone and will be a free app on Android come summer or fall of 2026. But with the Premiere mobile app, all you're gonna wanna do is add your footage first into Premiere Mobile to enhance the audio, and then save it and add it to your InShot project. So I'm just gonna click the plus button down here to create a new project, and I've added my footage in, and all I'm gonna do is select the video clip. I'm going to scroll over to enhance speech. I'm gonna turn this on, and then in here, I can control how much I wanna enhance just my voice to make it sound like I'm talking in a good microphone, as well as how much background noise I wanna cut out. So you can actually play around with these parameters here. And once that's done, I'm not even going to edit in Premiere Mobile. I'm just going to export it out, save it to my camera roll, and then add that video to InShot, and then I'll have the enhanced audio, and then I can make all my different adjustments inside of InShot. And if you want to learn more cool effects you can do inside of InShot, definitely check out this playlist here. I go through all the different effects that I've learned inside of InShot to help you become a better editor, so click over here.